Marriage, a sacred union that will last for a lifetime. I welcome each one in this solemn celebration of, or the sacrament of the holy matrimony, entered into between Raymark and Mara.
The sliver moon broke into the window.
By the way, congratulations. Yan, happy kita ko sa subong imo nga.
Dumahibi.
And oh my God, you're beautiful. On the edge of blue, wish I stayed. I wish I stayed.
Sa akong tatay Horse, kag Tuto Ray, tay, to, hambal nyo, idulong nyo pa ako sa altar. Wala nyo man ako madulong. Wala nyo man madulong ang agot nyo. Parehas ang ginahambal sang una. Balaan ko, ari ka mo diri subong, nagaupod sa amon na Raymark. Hindi lang subong, hasta sa amon nga pagpangabuhi.
I know I can say anything in front of you and you will never judge me. I'm telling you today how much you meant to me. November 25, 2021, sa imo lang I love you too, nagtulo ang mga luha sa mata ko.
Oh my God, you're beautiful. On the edge of blue, wish I stayed. I wish I stayed.
Both of you are called to continue to admire each other, because through your appreciation, you can communicate love. It's not just a word or pledge or promise, but it is an action that needs to be done.
Tell me something, it might just take the pain away. See, I've been thinking a million things I want to say. Now I'm looking in your eyes, but I'm wandering to your lips. See, I'm trying to keep it cool while I'm hovering for the kiss. 'Cause I've been needing you like old-fashioned orange slice, sweet like daiquiri with strawberry crushed ice. Know you like a margarita with the hot spice. Love the taste of paradise. No, it's never been the right time. Thinking of you. No, it's never been the right time. Like we're holding back the storyline. And I'm waiting at the end of the night, thinking of you. Thinking of you. Yeah, I'll be thinking of you.
Some people here today doesn't know where this all started. It was all started with a reto. Doc, single ka ba ngayon? My friend kasi akong single din. Kasama ko sa rides, kaso nasa barko pa siya yata. I replied, oo, single ako. And I told her na pwede when she showed me your picture.
No, it's never been the right time. Like we're holding back the storyline. And I'm waiting at the end of the night, thinking of you. No, it's never been the right time. Like we're holding back the storyline. And I'm waiting at the end of the night, thinking of you.
To my solace, I hope the simple gift is enough to gratify your heart. This represents a new start of our journey towards our future together. Hoping and prayer as you step with God, with the promises, love, dedication that we built since 2001. Love you, soon to be husband.
And as I end this vow, I, Dr. Mara Juneo de Romal, 0056790, is now ready to take the oath as your Mrs. Granha.
Nagambal ako sa self ko, suntang ginalang tayo ikaw kapalapit sa akon. Siguro, when the time comes nga malam na kita, kung may isa man ako kabagay nga pwede ko balikan, amuning nga moment, ang balik-balikan ko. Because today, this is the happiest moment of my life.